Hello everyone. So another Sunday and I come back to my trusty spot. So let's see if I find something today. I believe so. I will have few bullies, and yeah, that's actually all I come for in here today, because yesterday I get like huge score. I was quite far away from home, but I get a lot of shrooms. Anyway, today I'm very close to my home because it's already a little bit late. So let's see what's happened today. Okay, I see my first victim of the day. Red hat, quite nice size. Just gotta get to him somehow, and maybe I find something else on the way. No, I go around anyway. Cool. First catch, and there right next to him is the young ones. How nice is that? Good size, pretty nice. Let's grab the small one as well. Why not? Pretty one. And look like that's it for a good start. Perfect. Okay guys, I just get scared because as I coming to my spot in here, I see people coming out. So I was scared they find my mushrooms. But anyway, what mine is mine. Number one. Number two. Perfect. I thought it was gone, but yeah, they are mine. Cool. Look at this guy. Pretty one. And let's check another one. Oh, there's three. How nice. Another pretty one. And come on, little fella. Just cover it up. And three. Yeah, let's just check out. Okay, I see one more. So actually, I look all the area around and don't see any more. But anyway, 4 of them. That's great. This one is also nice. Oh, it has the worms eat out his food. Look, totally empty, but self-hearted. Look, okay. Let's just check him out. Okay, so let's say 3.5. Perfect. Where's my, oh, there. Okay, look like that's it. Okay, what a nice score. Pretty. Okay, look like someone get most of my shrooms. On many places I see some leftovers, and not so many I found today. No, green hat. I thought it was the red one. But anyway, that's good. Not nice. But at least they don't catch my bullies from the other spot. That's cool. Here's supposed to be few of the red ones, and I don't see nothing at all. Do they end already? Or someone just gathered them. Anyway, I see one, I believe, or not. Yes, look like. Oh, I see two. This one looking okay. A little bit eaten out, but not so bad. There was one more in here, a little bit eaten out, but yeah, that's okay. I can scavenge something of it. Okay, so two red ones and one green cup for this spot. Unusual, but yeah, that's the way it is. So let's clean them up and go further. Cool. Okay, so look like that's the effect. Not really a lot, but that's okay. It was just a quick tour and just check out my spots. Anyway, I have a lot left from yesterday to process. I cooked them, I need to put them into the jars, so I believe that is okay. Anyway, cool. Okay, small change of the plan. Actually, I'm at different forest right now, and I was at this site like twice some time ago, but I catch a lot of these green hats, small ones. And in this side of the road I never actually was. This is my first time in here, so I just transfer the shrooms to the market. As you can see, not much. So, and I have like, let's say, half hour to spare, so let's just go check out this side. Maybe we find something. Okay, I found one broken doolies. Then begin to look around. There's tons of these old green huts all over the place, and nope, in here I spot some. How pretty they are. Look at this guy. Come on out, little guy. Perfect. And there's number two. Come on. Very nice. And let's just look around. There's some, but I'm not sure. But slowly, let's go and check that big guy out. Oh, look what's this. Look like someone was here already. But they missed those two. Ha, that was for me. Perfect. No, this one isn't the good one. But in here, it's tiny. Nice one. Very nice. Very good. Okay, I believe I found myself another spot to come by from time to time. Very glad for this. I see one more. Yup. Oh, I take away his hat. It was so nice. Anyway, never mind. I will grab them. Cool, I just go back to my basket over there, clean them out, and look very close at this area in here. Oh, I almost stepped on this guy. Number 3. Cool. I like the place. Easy access, not so far away from the car. Very nice. Ah, perfect. Okay, I got some more. I believe this is nice one, but it's not big enough to check it. So I just leave it for now. Come back in 1 or 2 days. And I did see something or not. No, I don't see, but over there there's something big. I just want to go and check it out. Is this what I think it is? Holy, too old, but still red ones. And there is something. This one is good. Ah, it's too old. But anyway, there's tiny one. Perfect. How cool is that? Okay, I will come in here next time for sure. Let's just, I see some beak somewhere. There it was. Oh, another big one. Okay, there's a lot of them in here. Old one, another old one. That one still look not so bad. Yeah, this one looking great. Cool. Okay, those are not good ones. No. But anyway. Ooh, hey. Look at this, guys. All red hats. Overgrown. How big they get. And there's one small. Perfect. This one I will grab. How nice. And maybe this one. Yeah. I don't see. Yes, I do see one more youngster. No. It's not a mushroom. It's cone. Anyway. Look. Pretty one. And there's one more. No, this one's still okay. And this one I get for sure. Stop. Perfect. Okay. Let me orientate. Shoot, my basket is over there. Where's my shrooms? There. Okay. Stay here, guys. Whoo. And there is more. How nice. This one look quite pretty. Big one. Anyway, let's check this guy out. It's too old and soft. Oh, there's a tiny one. Half eaten. This, nope. Okay, so I grabbed that guy. Damn, there's a lot of them in here. See another one. Big one and the small one. That's great. I grabbed the small one. Perfect. Oh, nice spot. Yeah, very cool. Okay, grabbing my shrooms and going back. No, this is not the shrooms. What's there? No, no good. Okay, I'll go back. clean those guys. Okay, I was actually thinking I'm on my way out, but somehow I catch dead end. But guys, now I spot these two guys are trying to find myself and go out somewhere, because actually the self road what I think lead me to my car, it's end. So but I'm glad I step in here, because look, these guys, two more, and over there, I don't see them. How it can be? Look at this guy, how big it is, and it's still a little bit springy. For sure will be no good, but look this one, guys. That one will be good for sure. Anyway, what a score. I just begin to grab them and then try to find my way out from here somehow. Okay, so I found myself quite quick actually. Anyway, I can see my car, so good. And that's the effect of the second place. So yeah, I'm having fun. It took a little bit more time than I planned, but yeah, that's okay. I got some mushrooms, so I'm happy. Anyway, so that's it from me for today. Take care, everyone.